it is about. Ah! Hey, tomato! Get back here. My tomato will get out of the way. Ah! Well, did you like that other video?
What other video?
Other video, the first one we made.
The one we just made? You guys weren't really talking.
Yeah.
I was just hoping to hear you guys talk. You want to tell us the story? You want to show Bun Bun? Where's your Bun Bun, Jack? You're fine.
What Bun Bun Son?
What are you doing to your hair, Jack?
Hi.